When it comes to dangerous animals, you guys must have seen a lot of dangerous animals. But when you think of dangerous animals, you might picture a lion, a crocodile, or a shark. But did you know that the most dangerous animal in the world is actually the mosquito? In this video, we'll take a closer look at these tiny but deadly insects. Let's start the video. Welcome back to my channel.
Luxury brand.
Number 1. Mosquitoes are found all over the world, except in the coldest regions of the poles. They are most common in tropical and subtropical regions, where the climate is warm and humid. 2. Mosquitoes are responsible for more human deaths than any other animal on the planet. This is due to their ability to spread diseases such as malaria, dengue fever, and Zika virus. According to the World Health Organization, malaria alone causes over 400,000 deaths each year, mostly in sub-Saharan Africa. 3. Mosquitoes are attracted to the carbon dioxide and other chemicals in our breath, as well as our body heat and sweat. Female mosquitoes feed on blood, which they need in order to lay eggs. They are more likely to bite humans than males, as they need the protein and iron found in blood to develop their eggs. 4. Mosquitoes are able to transmit diseases because they are able to pick up viruses and parasites from one person or animal, and then spread them to another. When a mosquito bites an infected person or animal, it sucks up the virus or parasite along with the blood. It then passes on the infection to the next person or animal it bites. 5. Mosquitoes have been around for over 100 million years, and have evolved a number of adaptations that make them successful as a species. For example, they have a long, thin proboscis that allows them to penetrate skin and suck blood without causing too much damage. They also have a special mouthpart that contains anticoagulants, which help to keep the blood flowing while they feed. 6. There are over 3,000 species of mosquitoes, and they come in a variety of shapes, sizes, and colors. Some are more aggressive biters than others, while some are more likely to transmit disease. 7. Mosquito control is an important part of public health. This can include measures such as draining standing water where mosquitoes breed, using insecticide-treated bed nets to protect against bites, and spraying insecticides to kill adult mosquitoes. Scientists are also working on developing vaccines and other treatments to prevent and treat mosquito-borne diseases. Note: while mosquitoes may be small and seemingly insignificant, they are actually one of the most dangerous animals in the world. By taking steps to prevent mosquito bites and control their populations, we can help to reduce the spread of deadly diseases and protect human health. Subscribe channel for more interesting video.